friends, welcome to my YouTube channel AviArts&Craft. Today I make a Rakhi by the help of air cleaning cotton stick, foam sheet, glitter foam sheet and a pearl bead. So let's start to make this Rakhi. To make this Rakhi we need 4 different color of glitter foam sheet which I cut earlier, air cleaning cotton stick and woolen threads. Here I take 3 color of woolen thread and a plastic pearl bead. So let's start to make this Rakhi. First I take 4 color of glitter sheet round and stick it together by the help of glue as shown in the video. Please follow this step carefully to make the base of the Rakhi. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel AviArts&Craft. Also click on the bell icon to see my latest update on your notification bar. So let's start to do this. My base of the Rakhi is ready. Now I take cotton air cleaning stick and cut into half by the help of scissors. I follow the same step for all cotton stick. Now I take a plier and press the all plastic pipe like this. Now I show the close view of the plastic pipe. Now I take a stapler and staple in the center of the 4 glitter sheet to fix it properly. Now I add some glue and put the cotton sticks like this as shown in the video. Please follow these steps carefully. My Rakhi is almost ready. Now I add some glue in the center of the base and take the white pearl bead and stick it in the center of the Rakhi. The base is ready, the main Rakhi is ready, and leave it to dry at least 1 hour. Now I take 3 color of woolen thread and make a knot in one side and twist the 3 woolen thread like this to make its main thread and make another knot on the other side. My main thread of the Rakhi is ready. Now I stick it on the back side of the Rakhi. To do this, I take masking tape or paper tape. I cut by the help of a small part by the help of scissors and stick it in the center of the thread and paste the tape on the back side of the Rakhi. My Rakhi is now ready. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel AviArts&Craft. Also click on the bell icon to see my latest update on your notification bar. Also like, share and comment on my video if any question you have. Thank you. Have a nice day.